Hello. Today a quick video showing you how to remove and replace Sennheiser HD 4.50 or Sennheiser MB360 earpads cushions. For both audio headphones models you can use the same replacement earpads cups. They can be found on Amazon, Aliexpress, eBay, or in the description of this video. To remove the earpad cup, you need to stick your index finger underneath and slowly pull off the earpad cushion. It's easy. After that, just put on new earpads replacement. To install them, it is important to make sure that the seam is down. Put the edge of the pad in and hold it so that it doesn't escape while the remaining edge is being put into place. This is where the index finger can come in again. The process is annoying if you don't hold the edge in, because it will fall out all the time. Before fitting the earpad cushions, the edge can be straightened by stretching it slightly. This sometimes helps. After 10 minutes of work, you will surely have managed to put the new earpads in place and the headphones will look like new again. As usual, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can meet up for another money-saving D. Have a nice day, my friend.